Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2024 Toyota Yaris. This little hatchback has been completely redesigned, and it's packing some serious style and substance. So, buckle up, and let's take a walk around the exterior and interior of this impressive little car. Exterior design. First things first, the exterior. The 2024 Yaris has shed its previous boxy look and adopted a much sleeker, more dynamic design. The front tent is dominated by a large, aggressive grille flanked by sharp LED headlights. The side profile is sleek and sporty, with a sloping roof line and muscular wheel arches. And the rear end is clean and tidy, with a new taillight design that echoes the headlights. But the Yaris isn't just about looks, it's also about practicality. The hatchback design makes it easy to load up groceries or gear, and the spacious interior offers plenty of room for passengers and cargo. Interior design. Speaking of the interior, it's another area where the 2024 Yaris shines. The cabin is surprisingly spacious and airy, thanks to the large windows and high roof line. The materials are soft and upscale, and the overall design is clean and modern. I particularly love the new infotainment system, which is easy to use and features a crisp, responsive touchscreen. The climate controls are also well placed and easy to operate. And of course, no Yaris review would be complete without mentioning the seats. They're supportive and comfortable, even on long drives. Overall impression. Image of 2024 Toyota Yaris driving opens in a new window. mag.toyota.co.uk 2024 Toyota Yaris driving. So, what's my overall impression of the 2024 Toyota Yaris? I'm thoroughly impressed. It's a stylish, practical, and well-equipped hatchback that offers excellent value for money. If you're looking for a small car that does it all, the Yaris is definitely worth considering. Call to action. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more